Instagram, Facebook. Any of you guys that are engineers studying for your civil engineer exam, some of you guys are studying for your structural engineering exam, some of you are studying for your survey license. Remember, in this age of AI, engineers, contractors, you have to be business and marketing people. For me, it took me 5 years to pass my engineering registration. You know what got me past that? Working at Target. Because working at Target for 2 summers got me the money to pay for the training courses so I could take the engineering exam. So I know how to get those jobs, what I had to do. Help the people, sell products, organize products, clean up at the end of the night, talk to the guests, get them to come back when I went and ran the cashiers, when I had to run the cashiers. So what I'm telling you, you're not just engineers, you're not just technicians, you are business people now, especially in this age of AI. If you thought they were trying to get stuff from you cheaper before, what do you think AI is going to come? Oh, AI told I could do this, AI could sell this. Your goal is to say, I agree, AI could do that, but I can do this, this, and this. And I said, I'll just come back once you make the mistake. So that's what I want you guys to do. If you guys are contractors, engineers, losing bids, having to drop your price, before you drop your price, hey, you know what? Instead of me dropping my price, I can do more for you, charge you this is. So does that price look smaller? That's why I want you guys to work with me. Send me your objections. Let's work with Grant Cardone. As technical people now, you're gonna really have to sell. You're gonna have to market, because there's no shortcuts now. Because even Home Depot had slowdowns. If Home Depot has a slowdown and people go to Home Depot and buy stuff, what do you think is going to happen in the malls, at the other places that you shop at or retail at, or just the people that provide services? If they're not shopping at Home Depot, then who the hell is fixing their stuff? If it's not the contractor, if it's not them, then there's a problem. And that's how the problem is going to be for you to solve. So subscribe. Contractors, send me your objections. We're going to help you guys make more money, get you guys going. Talk to you later.